Adam is a business owner. He wants to reach more potential customers worldwide using the internet. As they say, the internet is a global village. Previously, he has struggled to find a web hosting provider that could help his business have good online presence and a global reach. He then found Host Geek, which gave him exactly what he needed. So, are you like Adam, wanting to get your business online today without a hassle? Are you in search of a one-stop shop for online solutions that offers you web design and digital marketing solutions that meet your needs? To increase sales, boost brand awareness and credibility, you need Host Geek. With enhanced customer service, Host Geek offers all web hosting solutions: cutting-edge 21st century web hosting, email hosting, VPS hosting, even radio streaming. Host Geek also offers non-hosting solutions such as Office 365, as well as web development and digital marketing solutions at very competitive prices, all paired with enhanced Geektastic support. Host Geek is your one-stop shop for all your web and online needs, a professional web hosting service provider with the reputation of quality service delivery. With their team of dedicated professionals, you're in safe hands. As Host Geek's web hosting solutions open the door of opportunities to grow your business, they'll continue to be there for you, providing convenient maintenance and management of your web hosting solutions. Using Host Geek gives you the opportunity to focus on other areas of your business, while their team handles your web hosting, web design and development, SEO/SEM services, social media marketing, domain names, SSL certificates, and much more. With a presence in both Australia and Singapore, Host Geek has a network infrastructure that provides you with a 24/7, 99.9% guaranteed uptime. So if you're thinking of expanding or relocating your business to Asia or Australia, Host Geek can definitely help with that too. Find out how you can effectively get your business online and gain the attention of your target market successfully. Get in touch with Host Geek today.